Natalie, trust in me. Like I'm your only brother, like I'm your only friend in the world. We can pretend we don't exist. Picture this, and I'll make it better, and you can make it better when you breathe in, out, and in. Just let me know. Just let me know. She knocks her heels and crosses her heart and swallows all the tension and trusts all my intentions without a fight. I hope she's right, Natalie, try to see. And this is just a chapter, one we'll read up after, when our lives have settled all the way down. Just let me know. Just let me know.
Good dog. Please hit subscribe to see more doggies.